Yes, class. Welcome again to our class. Today we are going to check on circles and chords. This is a topic in Form 3. And we are going to look at a few examples just to make us understand better what this topic is all about. Let us look at the first example. Find the length of an arc subtended by an angle of 250 degrees at the center of a circle of radius 14 centimeters. So let us just have a sketch of our circle. It has got a radius of 14 centimeters, and the chord subtends an angle of 250 degrees. So the question wants us to find the length of this arc. The formula is theta over 360 pi d. Therefore, our theta is 250 over 360 times 22 over 7 times, what is the diameter?
28.
Because it is 28 because our radius is 14. So 2 radius makes the diameter 28. And so simplifying this gives us
4 goes there, 1 into 36, 9 times.
once. It goes here
9 times.
9 times. So by simplifying that, what do we come up with?
If you multiply 25,
61.1 centimeters. We can verify that in the calculators. Of course, Form 3s are allowed to use their calculators. Let us now look at question 2. A herder uses a rope of length 28 meters to tie a cow. Find the area of the field the cow grazed on. This is still a circle question. If you have a cow, you tie the cow at this central point, and the length of the rope is 28 meters. This cow will graze along this circular path, meaning the cow will graze along this area, this circular area. It is the only area which will be accessible for grazing by the cow. Area, how do we get area of a circle? Formula? Pi r squared. Okay. Area of a circle, pi r squared. Our pi, 22 over 7. What is the radius? 28 times 28. Goes here once, goes here
4 times.
4 times. What is 22 times 4 times 28? What is 20?
64.
24? 64 squared meters, okay? Is that right?
Yes.
64 meters squared. Let us look at the third example. I hope we are together up to that point. Is there any question?
No question.
Okay, the third one. Length of an arc of a circle is 11 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle if an arc subtended an angle of 90 degrees at the center. The length of an arc of a circle is 11. Here is the circle. So the length, this length is 11 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle if an arc subtended an angle of 90 degrees at the center. So this is 90 degrees. What is the formula of getting this length? 11 centimeters.
That is circumference.
Yes.
Pi d.
Pi d. But we have an arc. It is not a complete circle. So it is theta over 360 pi d. Okay? So therefore, our theta is 90 over 360 times 22 over 7. What is the diameter? That is what we are looking for. D, right? So 11 centimeters is what this formula gives us, is equals to 90 over 360 times 22 over 7d. 90 goes here once, 90 goes here 4 times. 2 goes here, 2 goes here 11 times. So therefore 11 is equals to 11d over, good. How do we get our d?
By multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 11 d.
Good. We multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this, 14 over 11, 14 over 11, so that here we remain with our d. Then 11 goes there once. So our diameter is equals to 14 centimeters. What does the question want?
The radius.
Find the radius. We have the diameter. The diameter is radius times 2. So radius is this one divided by 2. So r is equals to 7 centimeters. I hope that is very clear. Let us now check on to the last question. Find the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc of 20 centimeters if the circumference of the circle is 60 centimeters. Find the length, the angle subtended at the center. Let us sketch our circle. The length of the arc is 20 centimeters. That is the length. This is our angle theta. The circumference of the circle, the whole circle, is 60 centimeters. So, how do we get the circumference of the circle?
Circumference of a circle is pi d.
Pi d, good. So, therefore, we have 22 over 7. What is the diameter? That is what we are looking for. D is equals to 60 centimeters, okay? So, therefore, our D becomes, multiply both sides by the reciprocal, so that our D, 11 goes here,
11 goes
2 goes here 11 times, 2 goes here 30. Are we together? So the answer becomes 210 over 11 centimeters. That is our D. The question wants us to find the angle subtended by this arc of length 20 centimeters. So it is now very possible to find that. The formula for getting 20 centimeters, which is the length of the arc, is theta over 360 times 22 over 7 times the diameter, which is 210 over 11 is equals to 20 centimeters. So therefore 7 goes here, 1, 7 goes here, 30 times, 11 goes here, 1 goes here, twice, 2 goes here, once, 2 goes here, 180, good. 0 cancels 0, 3 goes here, once, 3 goes here, 3 goes here 6 times, okay, sorry, 6 times. So therefore we have theta over 6 is equals to 20. Is that clear? So theta is equals to 20 times 6, which is equals to 120 degrees. That is the solution for that problem. And class, let me just let you know for our online students that we can help you solve more problems. If you have maybe similar problems like this, you can reach us. Here is our contact. You can reach us either by WhatsApp or calls. We have got competent teachers who can help you pass your mathematics subject. Till we meet again, God be with you. Thank you for watching that episode.